Kyeremateng and a voter region voter form fanning Rollins. Now
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
You have Alan Kyeremateng our also any dear Emma I don't know Baumia or any dear Emma Kennedy Japan. Let's look at is it or more campaign or is it getting into a deeper waters and in some the realities of what they are saying Mamintio.
Where MPP campaign in respect of the presidential primary now. You know, I don't know what the MPP is actually made of. The very fabric.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The political party called NPP. On say a dream round mo born twa obia prinity say opese odi o man no so. And the who say MPP for enye NDC for na ye ka say o man no sometimes ye ka say NDC for mo kasa do mo di o man no. Now look at revelations about your friends Oraka in Japan worker. Say about me as a strategist. Can Japan say wo be fa o man no na dollar no to the city na your friends.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
O say oje bosia or no the partner the business partners bika dollars. At the time we go to another $12 no to the city na 12 cities. Am was so a boka. Now kasa omsi o e na musuro baumia. Yen this baumia. Nenya baumia no buy house say hono de. When the fundamentals are weak, exchange rate will expose you. And your baumia no so better your friends say
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Time na as low as a taxation. See a dear Jim Mosia near dear to mu kwa na di boom maya. One day can buy 18 years wait me boom mine. Ana baumia no osre no. Sa baumia no one was about be poor mine Ghana this wa be ni ye. Right? One day wa bonche ni penyina. Unim so akasa wa say he has his own vision. Na sabi baumia that we knew. Baumia that Owura Akufo-Addo e born ho sabrane so he knows all that there is so far as economics is concerned.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Sa baumia sa nim de na ho a enaka friends say IMF na ekwe. O come so ena America for kra no hwachom. Hwe America. Any other countries and other nations won say ena COVID a ravage wo economy. Look at employment wo ma create. Look at a new springing up. Look at Ghanaians even UK. Sometimes UK economy I say. How many Ghanaians? Teachers, nurses and omunyan in America, UK, Canada. But also yes
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Now Alan, I don't know. Alan, a brand now on. Also, my advisor, if they had taken your advisor and can be a young IMF. Alan is not a leader. Oh, he's not a leader.
Alan is not.
He's not a leader. Me, Kobi, me no ye Juma. Now we are me penny. Me ma the needed input. Now so we Juma. I'll resign. Alan, if indeed, so a leader wasn't a sorter. And camera now say wakasa omunti no and ka resign
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
abeda oman ho economy amasai no enwumasi amasai no employment na John Ward was se ka adwuma nko ade a nhyehyɛ ade agu fom no enwuma ye bebie gisi ye kra nkrofo fira manone eno ma beye bi enne how many Ghanaians even skilled Ghana for nurses teachers are Kofi ya boka training wonum ezenki ye tap wom knowledge wom skill nenka ye develop your mind no Kofi nim say ukọ Asante Achimpotam offenso north offenso south amanse voter rate
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
We have schools ye need teachers but you will teach for your training woman because of your say IMF program unti and ye nisika and therefore they are not putting teachers nurses to those facilities and what in kronke to nkrase mu and ayarehwe aye problem na asante achim area ho ba bia na meka se nkrofo bi kosisi school adan atutu boho ni ade ama nkrofo na ho sebi omanya opportunity say sebi wo so benya ensuanom anya school akono kobi unim say
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
so free krono eko gina krono jaba bi ansa no wanya access to internet ansa what do you call it network ansa no afre unim so am frɛ obi wokono ho say on to pick up emefa obi a sebi oyare a owu on their way enom san africa zo car bia enye wo krom ho ase eno na aleta ase omakobo puma wanyane a ose obeboa no de nipa. Do you know what the road network then very bad and say we a leader na sekovi wo say obema advice wo the advice call
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
you should have resigned and can you could say me can ABC woman for I'm resigning here no I am independent minded and therefore be a mommy opportunity to lead this country. I'm an NDC person. But seeing only papa a good leader, not say offer let's assume Manusi Sumunaso. In 2024 election, we are going to win. But in the most unlikely event, say NDC to be my power. Not say MPP never baswa. And Crawford, Ghana for Mubo Mudi, Central for more hype mo, Baumia, Alan.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
They have nothing under their sleeves. And you go be obey to my boy. Me NDC new. But obia kabsabi nimdia ne nyansa sabi e won timo to my boy e bia Kennedy kwabra Japan na bia wo of ade nimu. These are the probably the two people I can say omo opepa make my boy. But for the rest, Kovi, we have seen them. We have known them. Ye nim do to me aye. We have failed Ghanaians, and that's Baumia Alane.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
They have nothing under their sleeves.
Okay.
They are empty. They are bereft of knowledge. They are bereft of experience, and whatever it is, Kovi, ombetumdi abu omayano. Let us forget about the MPP, Kovi. The best alternative to Ghana's economic problem is John Dramani Mahama, and for that matter, the NDC.
I see. Asase.
Obi.
Yes.